The New York Sour. It's tangy, sour and tart. It's just like your mother-in-law dropping off the presents on Christmas Eve whilst you're watching Home Alone 2. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Quick run through the ingredients. Whiskey, we're using bourbon here. Lemon, then there's an egg for the egg white, some simple syrup and some red wine. To the shaker add 2 ounces, that's 60 ml of bourbon. Then add 1 ounce, that's 30 ml of fresh lemon juice. Then add in the simple syrup. I'm using 1/4 ounce here as I'm using the 2:1 cane sugar variety. If it's 1:1 ratio, just bump it up a bit more. History wise, this cocktail wasn't originally from New York, but apparently from Chicago in the 1880s. So I'll let you lot scrap it out over this drink in the comments section, just like you do with your pizzas and your hot dogs. Then add 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of the egg whites, which looks like it belongs in Alien or something you'd find in a teenager's bedroom. Okay, don't add any ice here because we're dry shaking this creates like a velvety texture to the drink. Alright, I'm going to warn you here, you need a really good seal on the tin and hold it together like some leaking pipes or you're going to be having a really bad day. Shake for 30 seconds. Then add ice, recheck the seal and shake again for 10 to 15 seconds. Strain over ice in a double rocks glass and make sure you get everything out of the shaker as it has a habit to remain in the tin. Now let this settle for a bit. Now you want to carefully float 1/2 ounce, that's 15 ml of red wine. If you're a wine snob, sorry I didn't get out my vintage Chateau Neuf de Pape out, which is collecting dust in my wine cellar. Give that subscribe button a good dry slap and most will enjoy and have a couple more and behave yourselves.